Hello friends, welcome again to my YouTube channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Crew. Friends, do you have grown tomatoes this season? And if you have grown this tomato, do you have made any support to the tomato plant? Do you know with adding support to the plants, it will increase its yield and the fruit quality. Today in this video, I am going to share a simple method to support the tomato plant with my hydroponic system. Friends, I have planted this tomato plant into this hydroponic system, which is the media bucket system. And now you can see that the growth of tomato is very well. It has almost grown 6 to 8 leaves per plant. Now at this stage, if you don't support the plant will lean in the horizontal direction and start multiple branching. And if you are growing indeterminate tomato, branching is not good. So at this time we need to support this tomato plant. We are going to support this tomato plant with the help of this thread and the clips. You can also support the plants simply with the thread, tying the knot at the bottom and support with some trellis wire. But when you support the plant with the help of thread, what will happen where we tie the knot, that at that place when the plant grows, that knot will not grow. So it will cut the plant stem at that end and it will damage the plant. Instead of that, when we are using this clip, the clip will support the plant with keeping empty of the space. Because of that, the stem can grow big enough without getting damaged. So when we close the clip, it will have a much more space to support the plant. Now we are going to support this plant with the help of this plastic wire and the clip. Now for that, first we have to open this clip and you can see that here is the notch. So we need to fit the wire into that notch and grab it. So it will keep the clip into the position. Then we simply need to lock the clip below the leaf. So we have locked this clip below the leaf. So it will hold this position. Now to support this plant, we need to tie a trellis wire on the top. We have already tied a plastic trellis wire on the top. Now we will hang this plant on that. For that, we need to ensure that we need to neither keep it too tight or too loose. So we are just keeping tight enough so that it will support the plant. Once you hang the plant, then you need to circle the rope around the plant. This will give locking to the plant, so it will have a better support. Now when you support like this, your plant will grow in the vertical direction. So it will have a more sunlight to harvest, and when it grows the fruit will also get the good air and good sunlight. So it will ripe well. So this is how we need to tie the tomato plant with the trellis wire. The other care we need to take is when we are growing the indeterminate tomato, we need to remove the buds coming out of the leaf axil and grow the plant to the single stem. When the plant grows to the top, you can loosen some thread and again lower down the plant, and plant will grow with a single stem. And when we are growing the determinate variety, in that the plant grows to a certain amount of the vegetative growth and then it flowers and fruit. At that time, we simply need to allow 4 to 5 branches and support this a similar way. And when the fruits are coming, it will be hanging with the help of this trellis wire. This is how we need to support the tomato plant to get the good yields. You also do it whether you are growing with the hydroponic system or you are growing into the pots, to support your plants with this simple method and get a good yields. Happy growing!